Today I'm going to tell you 5 simple exercises which you can do it in less than 2 minutes to boost your mood, and they have been proven by science to work on different kind of situations. Bump those beats. So what that means is listen to music. Any music which you like can change your mood. So there was a research done about motivating people, and what they have found was 180 beats per minute songs that has increased motivation in people significantly. So those hardcore high beats type of music does change your mood significantly. The second one is busting a move, so dancing or jumping or running. So like just for 2 minutes, if you can do physical exercise, it can change your mood very quickly, because there are a lot of research. It increases the happy hormone when you exercise. So basically, if you can do some kind of quick movement or dancing, it can change your mood very quickly. And if you can do it with a partner, it does help more. The third one is you can write 3 good things which has happened in last 24 hours. So it is very simple. Within 2 minutes, you can write down what are the 3 good things has happened in your life. And that could be somebody serving you tea or giving you a glass of water or saying thank you as well. So just writing 3 good things in last 24 hours can change your mood. The fourth one is you can go out in the nature. There has been significant research which has been done, shows that nature changes your mood. So when you go out in the nature, you can get a boost in your mood. Fifth one is breathing. So what you can do is you can take a deep breath and you can exhale from your mouth. So within 1 or 2 minutes, if you just do this simple exercise of deep breathing and breathing out from your mouth. So you take a deep breath from your nose, and when you exhale, you just exhale from your mouth. This is very simple technique to reduce your anxiety and stress. So these 5 simple techniques, it doesn't take hours of practice. It just takes 2 minutes, and they have been proven to boost your mood. So please subscribe to the channel, and if any questions, do let me know in the comment. Thank you very much.